Different technology trends in travel and tourism. Episode 1. AI Chatbots. A chatbot is a software application used to conduct an online chat conversation via text or text-to-speech, in lieu of providing direct contact with a live human agent. A chatbot is a type of software that can automate conversations and interact with people through messaging platforms.
More and more people are doing hotel and booking research around the clock on mobile. That's why hotels are turning to Messenger to boost bookings and upgrades and build long-term relationships. Introducing Go Hotel, the conversational chatbot built for the hospitality industry. Conversational chatbots are active 24/7 on Messenger and respond to customers immediately with customized branded messaging. Setup and upkeep is easy. Manage all of your hotel's offers in the chatbot's user-friendly backend. Use bots to sell additional services and upgrades while on site, and build loyalty by automating guest re-engagement. Sign up for a demo today to see how Go Hotel puts booking growth on autopilot.
Episode 2. Robots. In the field of computer science and engineering concerned with creating robots, devices that can move and react, sensory input, robotics is one branch artificial intelligence.
These hotels in Japan are run almost entirely by robots.
If you want to check in, please press 1.
Each one is called Henna Hotel. Translated to English, it means weird hotel. These are currently 2 of these robot-run hotels. One in Nagasaki and one in Tokyo. The hotels are owned by low-cost travel agency IS Cole. They want to open 100 hotels over the next few years. There are about 140 robots working at each hotel. 7 human staffers are on hand to maintain the robots. Dinosaur robots run the check-in desk. Each room has an iRobot called Tapia. It can do things like turn on the TV. In the future, Tapia can make suggestions to guests. The trash robot looks just like a trash can. The bellhop cart runs by itself. Rooms start at $138 a month. Maybe you'll find yourself at one soon.
Episode 3. Voice Search and Voice Control. Google has developed an open-source operating system called Android, which allows a user to perform voice commands such as send text messages, listen to music, get directions, call businesses, call contacts, send email, view a map, go to websites, write a note, and search Google.
Wake up. Voice control is a breakthrough feature that gives you full control of your devices, with just your voice, period. It's a whole new way to do everything you love, period. Like this.
Here are the sample of voice control in hospitality and tourism industry.
You can enjoy a more convenient and efficient daily life with state-of-the-art technology that brings about comfortable rooms and convenience for guests. Technology for better service. Voice recognition, hotel room control, IoT solution. The Hotel Room Control IoT solution, which allows you to control the various facilities used in your room through voice recognition, ensures complete relaxation during your stay in your room, with its sophisticated design and amazing technology. Guests can use the tablet-shaped voice recognition speakers to not only receive hotel information, but also to operate switches and services in the room. With the voice recognition speaker alone, guests can set up their own requests, such as clean the room and do not disturb, turn the lights on and off, adjust room temperature setting, control curtains, and easily use room services. This Hotel Room Control IoT solution is unique because all functions can be used in more convenient and smarter ways with voice recognition.
카이저 조명 꺼줘. 카이저 온도 올려줘. 카이저 TV 꺼줘.
As such, various heating and air conditioning facilities in the room, lighting and room temperature, can be controlled by voice commands via a smart device and wireless room control docking station. Designed in the European style, the switch in the room is also eye-catching. The sophisticatedly designed switch allows you to control all the lights in the room and adjust the temperature even without using a smart device. Additionally, the card key switch enables the power and lights to be used only when the room card key is recognized, providing efficient power supply. Enjoy more convenient service with our voice recognition hotel room IoT solution that enhances the convenience of your accommodations with efficient and smart changes in room control and management.
Episode 4. VR Technology. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Applications of virtual reality include entertainment and education.
Virtual reality is one of the hottest things in hospitality and technology right now, and I am going to explain why and how you can benefit. Virtual reality is a natural progression following the internet's love of video. And now, VR hopes to bring realistic interactive video to life. In regards to the hospitality property sector, this often takes on the form of virtual reality video marketing. It's an amazing way to highlight what your property has to offer with the use of a digital walkthrough, and now many hospitality brands are creating new experiences for their guests. It's not a surprise that everyone wants to talk about their plans for the new tech. Let's dive into a clearer explanation.
Virtual reality is when the world you're standing in is replaced with a virtual one. With some of these, everything you see and everything you hear is replaced with something computer generated. Now, the world that takes you to can be very naturalistic, actually, or extremely synthetic and fantastic. VR, you're surrounded in 360 degrees, and the space is three-dimensional. Now, in its most ambitious forms, VR places are also navigable, as you can move through them and use your hands to manipulate things within them. VR can be done as simply as sticking your phone in a literally cardboard head mount or a little more upgraded plastic holder, but the attention these days is mostly on real-deal head-mounted displays. Until recently, these were quite cumbersome and always tethered to either a game console or a high-performance PC. But more recent versions acknowledge that tethering is going to be a non-starter for a lot of users, and instead the new headsets build the electronics into themselves or maybe into a small companion processor you wear on your belt for a pseudo-cordless experience.
Why are VR hospitality property tours becoming popular? One of the main reasons why VR marketing has taken on a viral tone arises from the fact that guests will be provided with a hands-on point of view when making an important booking decision. Using such technology clearly illustrates that the property in question is keeping abreast of the latest digital trends. Today, VR tours can be easily placed on an online platform through the rise of cost-effective software packages. Why should businesses even care about virtual reality? In the not-too-distant future, property operators will be able to utilize VR to help produce more bookings, provide entertainment, and create new activities that will generate more revenue. The question is now, how can you, as a hospitality property owner or manager, benefit from the use of virtual reality? Consumers need a lot of information to inform their travel purchases. Right now, video and pictures help consumers make decisions. More immersive experiences like 360 video, virtual reality headsets, and other technology will increase that impact dramatically. By offering virtual reality tours on your websites or via social media sites like Facebook, using 360 video technology that allows potential guests to look at their guest rooms and other parts of your property before they book. In most cases, the tours are shot using an omnidirectional camera, resulting in all directions being filmed at once, allowing for a 360-degree field of view that people can navigate. The thinking is that the traveler can put themselves right there on the property or the activity to see if it meets their wants, needs, and by setting the right expectations, virtual reality will have the ability to paint a clear picture. In short, VR will help leave little to the imagination, but in the best way possible. Provide information on site. Virtual reality at its core is entertaining and the possibilities are seemingly endless. Hospitality properties can use VR to show people what local activities and attractions look and feel like. For example, your promotional material recommends the local rope bridge experience, but guests want to check it out before they go. VR can offer an unparalleled example of what a guest can expect. As mentioned, it takes away the uncertainty travelers may have. When people travel, they're out of their element, and virtual reality can help make people feel more comfortable. Provide entirely new experiences. Virtual reality can completely transport guests to every corner of the world. It's also an interesting and different concept. A traveler goes on vacation to a city like Berlin or San Francisco, but instead of experiencing the city, they are transported to an entirely different location. You can also imagine the possibility of a hospitality property or other business offering travel experiences to fantasy worlds. Imagine exploring a completely different world as if you were in a movie, but unlike a movie, you can control everything around you. VR reality games will also have a huge impact on the industry, and we expect hospitality to play into that as well. The creative possibilities are endless. According to GCH Digital Marketing Consultants, the wow effect from virtual reality offers an incentive for guests to book directly through the property as opposed to using an OTA. This is crucial for properties that commonly pay up to 30% commission to OTAs to serve as their booking agents. Any technology solutions that can help hospitality properties avoid those type of commissions are sure to be embraced because there's nothing virtual about driving revenue growth and cost reduction.
Episode 5. Contactless Payment. Contactless payment systems are credit cards and debit cards, key fobs, smart cards, or other devices, including smartphones and other mobile devices, that use radio frequency identification or near-field communication for making secure.
It's harder than you think to intercept someone's contactless payment data, especially when you have a Visa card. We're here to put any doubts you have about contactless payments to rest. Can fraudsters steal money from my card with a wireless scanner or tap it on a card machine behind my back? No, they can't. For starters, for fraudsters to scan your card, they'd have to be very close to you, like uncomfortably close. And they'd also need to know where you keep your cards. But here's the best part. If you're carrying more than one card, it confuses the reader, and it won't scan a thing. Not just anyone can get a card machine, too. To have one, they need to be registered as official merchants. And if they were hoping to make multiple transactions, they'd have to enter the amount, print a charge slip, and redo the same process multiple times. Not the easiest way to make a quick buck. How secure are mobile wallets? Quite secure. To make a Visa contactless payment with your phone, you will always need a fingerprint scan or a private passcode to approve each transaction. Can fraudsters intercept transaction data while I make a contactless payment? No, they can't. Visa cards use cutting-edge cryptographic tech to protect your information. This makes your transaction unique and your card impossible to duplicate. What happens if I lose my card? Oh well, accidents happen. And if you are sure you have lost your card, call your bank and block it as soon as possible. Your card cannot be used for any significant purchase amounts without your PIN. As an added security measure in many countries, SMS alerts notify you every time a transaction is made, so you'll know if your card is being used.
How can hotels provide a contactless journey to guests? So, what was the general scenario in hotels before this pandemic? First, long queues for check-in, check-out. Second, physical contact between guests and staff at all points. Third, gatherings at in-house restaurant or banquet.
Among all these, providing contactless journey is going to be the most challenging. Guests would have a touch-free stay, from making reservation to checking out.